In front of me is an Magic V6, and today I would like to show you how you can delete Google search bar from home screen. All you need to do is holding your search bar and waiting for remove pop-up to show. When it does, click on it and confirm your choice in this one at the bottom by hitting remove. So when I do that, my search bar was successfully deleted. Now, if you ever wanna restore it, just hold your display and tap on this section called Cards at the bottom left corner. Then select Widgets, scroll to find Google section, swipe to the left until you see search bar, hold it, drag it, place it, and let go. Then tap on home button. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!